See, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business.
Hi friends, it's Emily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making some foolproof roll-out sugar cookies. Not only is this recipe extremely easy and straightforward, they are seriously the most delicious Christmas cookies ever. This recipe has been in my family for years and it comes out perfect every single time. Let's get baking! The ingredients you need to make these cookies are 1 egg, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, and unsalted butter. One important aspect of this recipe is that you need to have your butter be softened. If you forgot to soften your butter like I did, then simply microwave it for a little bit until it's a little bit runny and the rest of the butter is completely soft. What's great about this recipe is that you simply add everything to the mixing bowl at once. You don't need to put in the ingredients in a specific order, just add everything to the mixing bowl and mix. Okay, now is the fun part, which is rolling out the dough. So I recommend flouring your work surface, the ball of dough, as well as the rolling pin, just to make sure that the dough doesn't stick to the rolling pin. You can see that I even had a little bit of trouble with that, as I should have added a little bit more flour. Whether you like more of a crunchy cookie or a chewy cookie, what I recommend is playing around with the thickness of the dough and then baking a few cookies just to see which thickness of dough gets the most perfect result for your taste. In the recipe, it states that these cookies need to be baked for 6 to 7 minutes or until the bottom of the cookies are lightly golden brown. I started the timer at 4 minutes just because you can always add time, but you can't take away time. To make this frosting, you will need a 1/3 cup of butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, some salt, and some milk. For the frosting recipe, the only important aspect is that the butter does need to be softened, but other than that, just add all ingredients to the mixing bowl, and then for the last ingredient, which is the milk, it calls for 1 to 2 tablespoons. Just add the milk little by little at the end until you get the spreadability consistency that you want. One important note is that just make sure that the cookies are completely cooled before frosting, as there's so much butter in the frosting as it will start to separate from the powdered sugar, and then it'll just be a drippy mess. Okay guys, that is going to be it for me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As you can see from my decorating skills, I am not an expert baker, but if I could do this recipe and it turned out absolutely delicious, then you can too. This recipe is perfect for people with all baking abilities. You're going to be great. If you liked any part of this video, would you please give it a thumbs up? And if you want to see more videos from me, then be sure to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next one, and a Merry Christmas. Bye!